Conversation 1.
How are your classes?
Good. I really like my English class. It is fun and interesting.
That's nice. My English class is fun, too, but is difficult.
What about your math class?
It is easy, but it is very boring. Plus, the room is very small and hot.
Is the teacher strict?
Yes, but she is very nice and friendly.
That is important. Math is no fun without a good teacher.
I think so too.
Conversation 2.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, can I have a cafe mocha?
Okay, hot or cold?
Ice mocha please. Is it sweet?
It is a little sweet. What size do you want?
Medium, please.
We only have small and large sizes.
In that case, large please.
Okay, that will be $8.50.
Wow, that's expensive.
Yeah, it's not cheap. Do you still want it?
Yes, please.
Conversation 3.
What a beautiful day.
Yes, the weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
How is the Wi-Fi speed?
It is fast, but my computer is slow, though. It is a very old computer.
My computer is old too. I want a new one.
Me too, but computers are so expensive.
Some basic computers are cheap, but they are not very good.
Yes, and they have a short life, and they are slow.
Yes, no more slow computers for me.
Same here.
Conversation 4.
How is your food?
It is okay, but the sauce is a little salty.
My food is salty too.
Do you like it?
Yes, it is very delicious, but I am full.
Really? I'm still so hungry.
Oh, please have mine. I cannot finish.
Thanks. That is very nice of you.